Well, I think it's time to introduce the next project, which may have been a mistake, but I threw a low bid at a Copart auction and won this thing. So it's a 2014 Ram 2500 heavy duty, four-wheel drive. It's got the 5.7 in it, not the big V8 or the diesel. So it's a bit of a mess now that I've got it home. Damage to the front isn't too bad. That's easily fixable. Same over here. Shoved both fenders back enough that to get the doors open, they creased them, so I have to put fenders and a hood on it. I did find the previous owner, and I talked to him. He said that it was stolen off of his farm, and the thief ran it into a ditch. Just by looking at it, it definitely was a farm truck. It is filthy inside and out. Tailgate smashed. Luckily, being in the south from Georgia, it's not rusted. The inside is filthy. I doubt it had ever had a bath, but probably can't see, but the dash, which should be gray, is pretty much red with clay dust. Didn't blow any airbags, didn't blow the seat belts. It's pretty basic, but it does have power equipment group, so it has power windows, locks, mirrors, the nicer door panels, has the electric shift on the fly four-wheel drive, backup camera, nicer seats, has the carpet delete, so it's rubber floor. The engine should be okay. So I looked under it, it's not like the oil pan, nothing like that's damaged, but it's pretty filthy in here too. And this wheel is off right now because we come over here and take a look. It is bent sideways. It was bent enough that when I went to roll it off of the trailer, it wouldn't roll. And looking inside the wheel, I saw that that wheel was bent and hard against the brake caliper, so it had it locked up over here. Luckily, the guy that delivered it was towing it with a 3500, so he pulled one of his spares, and we were able to get the bent one off and that one on, at least so we could roll it off of the trailer. See, it's pretty caked with mud in here, but it's not rusty. Still have all the original stickers on the frame. They ripped off that step bar. Definitely a work truck. Only has 60,000 miles on it though. So until I get a key and see that it actually starts, I'm not going to buy really any parts for it. I want to verify that it actually starts and will go into gear and move itself before I spend a lot of money on it. The only thing I bought, just so I could roll it around, I went on Facebook, and there was a guy about a half hour away. He had a set of 18-inch wheels, same that are on it, with about 15,000 miles on the tires. So I picked these up for pretty cheap, and I'll throw those on at least so I can roll it around. But Oh, one other thing. Before I can roll it around, I've got to fix the drag link. You can see it hanging here. It snapped it off. So the wheels are still connected together to each other, but it's not connected to the steering box, so I really can't steer it very easily at the moment. So I may tack weld it together enough so that I can move it around, and then I'll look on Rock Auto or grab a used one or something, throw on it. So today, since how I don't have any parts, don't have a key or anything, I think today I'll just swap the tires, pull the fender liners, and pressure wash the underneath, and maybe give it a bath so it doesn't look so bad. And once I get a key, if I find out that it won't run, or I'm going to take it to a frame shop just to make sure everything's square. As hard as it went through the ditch, I just want to make sure it's not tweaked at all. And once that's done, then I'll start picking up parts for it.